So as I said earlier, I think I'm going to be reading the Bible more often on stream. Shaggington actually thought of you today, thank you. One of the pastors I watch posted a pretty good typology video. Yes! Which typology video was it? Yay for typology. More people should know about typology. I ask because I've probably seen it. I look up typology just to learn more about typology, just to learn about more, because I'm sure there's things that I've missed, things that I've skipped, and I have not. I haven't found all the typology in the Old Testament. I gotta keep digging for more. The first typology video I ever saw only mentioned a few biblical figures, only mentioned Jonah and Moses and Joseph and somebody else. And I thought, wow, that's pretty awesome. I had no idea that there was so much more that I wasn't aware of. I'd be willing to bet that any and every. Now, when I say any and every, I mean all the famous prophets and all the famous patriarchs in the Old Testament. Like, if you have a book named after you, you probably are typological. Like the book of Joshua, or the book of for some reason I just blanked. I can't think of any other. Ezra, heard one. Nehemiah, there's one. Oh, here's your shout out, Shaggington. Pardon my manners. There we go. Check out Shaggington. Robert Breaker's latest video, rightly dividing the order of the books of the King James Bible. Okay. Rightly dividing the order of the books of the King James Bible. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm going to have to look that up on YouTube. By the way, we're going to get an ad very shortly. Very, very shortly. Robert Breakers. Yes, excellent. Rightly dividing the order of the books of the King James Bible. Alright, I'm gonna put that in the watch later. I'm gonna watch that later. Robert Breaker's latest video, rightly dividing, yada yada. He preaches dispensations. I don't usually like to share the pastors I watch, as some people get hang-ups on doctrines. Okay. I will, I'll be a Berean, right? Aren't we all supposed to be Bereans? Checking out what they say and checking out with the scriptures to see what is true. So, thank you for sharing. So, what is going on with you, Shaggington? Thank you for thinking of me. Apparently someone has been listening to what I'm saying about typology. Just got done watching Dino Dad. Need to figure out what to make for dinner. That's always an important question. What is the meaning of the universe, and also, what is for dinner? Most important questions in the minds of the people is what is the meaning of the universe, and also what is for dinner. Between barbecue chicken pizza, and chicken fried rice with ground beef, I vote for the chicken fried rice with ground beef. I'm a fan of barbecue chicken, I'm a fan of pizza, but I'm not a fan of both. I'm not a fan of the barbecue chicken being on my pizza. But it's not going to be me who's eating this dinner, so... But that is my vote. If you want my opinion, then that is my vote. So this is the first year that I've been practicing Lent, and no, that does not mean I'm a Catholic now. That means the church I go to, the Brethren of Christ, is practicing Lent. There are other denominations besides Catholics who practice Lent. Let's see. Let's get right here, right there. Right there. There we go. I'm happy with that.